Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to put back properly this part of a shoe sole that was removed. The first thing we need to do is to remove all the foreign materials, dust or oils that's in this rubber by sanding it down. This is to maximize the adhesion of the super glue that we are going to use. This would make the band much stronger. Okay, let's also clean this part. Now let's put in some super glue. Now let's put it. I'm going to use a clothesline pin to make the bonding firm. And I'm going to leave it overnight for a strong adhesion. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.